Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic and you are having fun decorating for Christmas. In this video, I am going to update my guest bathroom decor. It is the holiday season. Guests may stop by at any time. So I want to make sure this bathroom match the rest of the house. I do not like to do a full holiday decor in my bathroom, but I may add a little something. But seriously guys, how is decorating going for you guys? I know this is the time of the year where we are spending a lot of money buying gifts, decoration, new outfit, food, name it, we are spending money on it. But the question is, are you saving money? Meaning, are you getting anything back from all of this money that you are spending? Guys, you know me, I am an online shopper. And one of the ways that I save money, I use something called GoCashBack. So this portion of the video is sponsored by GoCashBack. GoCashBack is a website that gives you money back whenever you shop online. All I do to save tons of money when I do my online shopping, instead of going directly to the store website, I go to the GoCashBack website. I logged in. If you are new, you have to register. All you have to do, enter a username and create a password, and that's it. Super duper easy. I type up the name of the store, for example Macy's, and there I do all of my shopping. You guys know I have been showing a lot of items that I purchased from Macy's. I am saving a lot of money. In addition to the savings that I normally get from Macy's, I got an additional 4.5% cash back. What do you guys think? Pretty good, right? But Macy's is not the only major companies that they have. They have most of our favorite stores. Look, Home Depot, 6% cash back. Walmart, 3%. Hobby Lobby, 2% cash back. Oh my goodness, even Michael's is there, 2% cash back. And tons of non-home decor stores like Sephora, Bloomingdale, and ton of other stores. The way you get your money is super easy. First, if you sign up with the link that I have in the description box, you will have $8 for just signing up. You don't have to buy anything yet. And when it's time to do the withdrawal, you can have it done via PayPal, which is the one that I use, gift card, you can get a check. To make sure you don't miss any earning, I would advise you to download the GoCashBack Google Chrome extension on your computer. So yes, you guys, my special link for the GoCashBack website will be in the description box. Be sure to check it out so you can save tons of money on all of your online shopping. These beautiful curtains are either from Macy's or Home Goods. I purchased them a little while ago. I don't remember where I got them from. And these ones are from Amazon. Love them. They always take my bathroom to the next level. The two of them together, gorgeous. My towels are from TJ Maxx and Burlington. I thought this towel was a great one to welcome my guests to the bathroom. You're gonna see it, it looks really nice. It looks like a hotel or spa. I've done this folding and display technique before on the channel, but I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna use my bed because I need a flat surface. This towel that I'm using does have a design on it, but it doesn't matter because the design won't show. I'm gonna lay it down flat on the bed with the design facing up. If you are using a towel that do not have any design, it won't matter. And then I am going to fold it in three. Towel, I'm gonna lay it flat on the bed with the design facing down, and then I'm gonna fold the borders, and that's it. Now let's go to the bathroom. towel go under the bar. And then I'm gonna have the hand towel go on top of it. I'm holding the big towel, the bath towel, with one hand to make sure that it does not unravel. There it is, it's looking really good, but as you can see, they are not level up, so I'm gonna go back and make sure that they are at the same level. That's really important. There it is, looking very nice, very hotel-like. It looks like that I used more than 2 towels. It is not a difficult fold, a great way to impress your guests. On the shelf is where I normally display some of the necessities for my guests. Things like cotton swab, Q-tips, a little bit of salt, and little things here and there. On the shelf, I'm adding a little bit of the holiday decor. I added one of my crystal trees. On top of the toilet, as always, I have a tray. I'm gonna have a small vase to hold a branch. Tray, I'm also going to have a star. I folded some hand towels very nicely. I'm going to display them on the tray. My guests will definitely impress. Guys, stay tuned for a video to see more towel folding technique, including how I folded these towels. In this corner, I'm going to have a small sign. All of the Christmas decorations that I have in here, if it's not around Christmas time or you do not celebrate Christmas, you don't have to put them, you can just remove them. And I'm going to display the towels in front of it. Let me show you how I fold them. Once again, I am using a flat surface. I fold them in 3. And then I do a 70% fold, like that, you see? Next, I take this edge, I'm going to fold it and then tuck it in. I'm making sure everything goes in properly and it is pretty smooth. And this is the final look. On the vanity, I have a beautiful crystal and mirror tray from HomeSense and my beautiful glam gold vase from HomeGoods. Inside of it house a beautiful, gorgeous bouquet made by moi. I have branches from Burlington, Hobby Lobby, and Z Gallery. Although it has a little bit of glam, but it is an all year around bouquet, you can have it any time of the year. Then I'm gonna add one of the storage containers with cotton swab, actually cotton pads, and a small, beautiful candle also from HomeGoods. These are the soap and lotion dispensers I am going to use. I think they are from Tuesday Morning. For my rug, I'm using this sheepskin rug from HomeGoods by Nicole Miller. Very luxurious and comfy. My guests will definitely love it. Guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my guest bathroom decor. Be sure to show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please do so right now. Turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.